The Paddock Classic Cars is an automotive restoration shop in New Britain, Connecticut.
My father was a surgeon, furniture maker, and car restorer, among many other things. And the MGTC that you see here in the showroom was a car that he and I worked on when I was 11 years old. And he restored it. It eventually became mine. And I guess that's how I got the bug for it.
As you would expect from any high-end restoration shop in the collector car industry, the Paddock Classic Cars team of skilled artisans are capable of a wide range of services.
I would describe our business as a collection of people that are very passionate about classic cars and the craftsmanship that goes into restoring them.
From engine builds, mechanical repairs, metal fabrication, bodywork, painting, and upholstery. The shop is filled with Alfa Romeos, Jaguars, Mercedes-Benz, and Ferraris.
I think we're proud of everything we've delivered. Our mission as a company is really to become a premier classic car restoration shop by hiring and retaining the most talented people in the industry.
The Paddock Classic Cars sets a high standard for themselves, which meets the needs and expectations of today's enthusiasts and collectors.
My name's Michael Donnelly, and I'm the owner of Paddock Classic Car Restorations.